복습 수업. Let's start. So first sentence would be, we're gonna do the dialogue, okay? So where is the post office? That'll be a question. The answer will be, it's behind the library. Where is the post office? It's behind the library. Okay, then vocab list. 어디, 우체국, 뒤, 도서관. 1 minute. Okay, time's up. So, first one, where is the post office? 우체국이 어디에 있어요? Or of course, you can have 어디에 우체국이 있어요? And then, it's behind the library. 도서관 뒤에 있어요. 도서관 뒤에 있어요. The order should be like this, right? You can't say 뒤에 도서관 있어요. That actually changed the whole meaning, right? Because behind there is library. That's what it means if you flip it. The complete sentence actually is 우체국이 도서관 뒤에 있어요, right? But since this is a conversation, you don't need to say 우체국 again, right? Therefore, we say 도서관 뒤에 있어요. Okay? Okay. You all have the same answer, right?
Is it wrong to put a location particle after 도서관? So 도서관의 뒤에 있어요? Is that wrong?
Yes. Because 도서관 뒤 is the location. Okay? Behind the library, think that whole thing as a location. Okay? Therefore, you would attach location particle once you're done describing the location. Make sense? Good, good, good. Next one. The question would be, how about the bookstore? And the answer would be, it's in the student center. How about the bookstore? And the answer, it's in the student center. And vocab list, 서점, 학생회관, So how about the bookstore? It's in the student center, or you can say it's inside the student center. Okay. So my answer would be, how about the bookstore? What about the bookstore? As for bookstore, just attach topic particle. 서점은요, and then just attach 요 to be polite. If you're talking to your friend, you just say 서점은, that's fine. But to be polite, you just say 서점은요. What about, how about? So this is very useful. And it's inside the student center. 학생회관 안에 있어요. 학생회관 안에 있어요. Again, inside the student center, whole thing is a location. Therefore, you attach location particle after you describe the whole location. Okay, next dialogue. Who is Lisa? Lisa is Michael's girlfriend. Who is Lisa? Lisa is Michael's girlfriend. Lisa can be implied if you want to just not mention it. Vocab list. I'll give you the name. So Lisa, 누구, Michael. Okay. Who is Lisa? My answer would be this one. Actually, pretty easy, right? 리사가 누구예요? 리사가 누구예요? Casual form would be 리사가 누구야? Right? And Lisa is Michael's girlfriend. So if you want to say Lisa again, that's fine. 리사는, as for Lisa, the one Lisa that we are talking about, Lisa는 Michael's girlfriend. So here we need a possessive particle, right? So 마이클의 girlfriend 여자 친구예요. 리사는 마이클의 여자친구예요. If it's casual, 리사는 마이클의 여자친구야. Or you don't even need to say 리사는, you can just say 마이클의 여자친구야. Okay, do you have the same answer? Good. Right, this one not too complicated. Okay. We're not gonna do dialogue anymore. So, the sentence will be, this ramen is very delicious. This ramen is very delicious. And there are 5 berries. You can use any one of them. So, vocab list. 라멘, 라면, 맛 있다, 맛있다. Short sentence, 30 seconds. Okay, this ramen is very delicious. 이 라면이 or 라면은 both work. 이 라면은 very 정말 진짜 아주 너무 매우 whichever. But if it's spoken, you use for except 매우, right? Because 매우 is only for written. Okay. So 이 라면은 너무, I'll use 너무. 너무 맛있어요. 이 라면은 너무 맛있어요. 이 라면은 너무 맛있어. Next sentence. My car is really fast. My car is really fast. Vocab. 쟤네 차 진짜 빠르다. 30 seconds. Okay. So we're gonna say polite form. So I will use 제. 제, as for my car. So topic, 제 차는 진짜, really, 진짜 빨라요. Casual will be 내 차는 진짜 빨라. polite. 제 차는 진짜 빨라요. One more sentence. That puppy is cute. Not that puppy over there, okay? That puppy is cute. So vocab. 강아지. 귀엽다. Okay. My answer will be, so this one I would say, as for that puppy. So 그 강아지는 귀여워요. We don't really pronounce 귀여워요. That's so hard to say, right? 귀여워요. Just pronounce 귀여워요. 그 강아지는 귀여워요. 그 강아지는 귀여워. Casual form. Okay, have fun. See you in 2 weeks. 안녕.